here at City Hall. When we experienced the issues related to COVID-19, we started looking in City Hall and all other buildings in the City of Denton to establish accessibility. So in this case, they're installing a touch-free door. It is accessible so that individuals can get in without having to touch anything. When we can open back up, and we're looking forward to that, it'll be available as actually the door that most people will come in, particularly with mobility challenges, but even to the point where an easier access for people instead of having to come in the back way with the steps. And so that's really an opportunity for people to come in easier, and it also is a nicer walk through this plaza area and not necessarily the side of the building. It senses your body. Any type of movement up in front of it would open the door. It's one more step for us in our efforts to protect our staff and our community members.